Let's go, family. It's your man, DeAndre Saxon, back for another video. And in this topic, I'm going to be sharing with you the secret affiliate marketing program that pays me over $10,000 per month. Now, in reality, I made 10 grand last week with this program, but hey, you got to make titles that make more sense and more reasonable for most beginners. So without further ado, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the exact program, taking you behind the scenes. What is it? How does it work? We're even going to be talking about commission structures and how you actually get paid 25 up to 50% of the monthly recurring revenue that the customer pays goes to profit into your bank account. I don't care if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, you can get started with this because I've only been doing affiliate marketing less than 30 days and I've been able to scale it to over $10,000 per month. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to take you to the website so you can understand what is this affiliate marketing program and how do the customers get results and what is it that we're actually promoting here. So let's go ahead and let's take this on. So fun little stories. I actually started as a customer for this affiliate marketing program. As you guys probably know, I ran a 7-figure coaching business and I was looking for other ways to generate leads. And when I came across this program, within the 5-day trials, it generated thousands of dollars in sales for my business. It brought me in hundreds of followers, and I was posting the results on my Instagram story, and I had 17 of my friends sign up for this program, and I wasn't even promoting it, just naturally showing it, and I knew at this point I had to take this thing seriously. So without further ado, let's look at their website right here. So what this software does is it helps people grow their Instagram account. And the cool thing about this, I actually know the owner. His name is Derek. He's actually my business partner now. And so over 5,000 people have used our software, from marketers, creators, brands, business people, social media influencers, DJs, you name it. And so it comes with a free 5-day trial. And that's the coolest thing about starting in this program if you're deciding to sell it. And I'm in a unique position because I started as a customer and now I'm a partner in the business. So when I was starting this, I didn't have to use any sales skills or marketing tech. All I had to do was introduce people to the 5-day trial. And so that's something that I would encourage you guys to do. When you're using this program, you don't need to have sales skills. All you need to do is get people on a 5-day trial, send them this link, and that is it. And the cool thing about the trial that I don't see happen with a lot of other softwares is there's no credit card required for the trial. I hate putting in my credit card for a 5-day trial because I have to remember to cancel it. I got to put it on my calendar. I hate that. But not with this site here. You don't need to put in your credit card. Easy setup and a 24/7 support. You can go ahead and watch that video if you want. So what does the software actually do? So right here on the website, it says the software, the way it works is our growth tool works by viewing and engaging with Instagram stories that are relevant to your brand. By targeting specific usernames, hashtags, we drive profile traffic to your page, resulting in significant increase in daily followers and engagement. And so the way I see this is when I was using the tool, I talk about that most customers gain anywhere from 20 to 100 plus real followers every single day. 20 on the lower end is things that are like business pages, theme pages, but I put this on some of the models and model girls and girls that do OnlyFans and things that are like attractive, appealing, maybe you're an artist, things like that. They're getting 200, 300 followers per day. But we like to keep it reasonable. The average customer we see using this software gains about 20 to 100 plus real followers a day. So that's what the tool does. So let's go ahead and see what are the things here. Well, they say organic growth, niche targeting, followers, and likes. So what is the growth tool? Well, they have access. So you have access to your mobile-friendly growth tool to view. Right here, I'm looking at the left here, to view and interact with Instagram stories throughout the day. Sit back, relax while the growth tool grows on complete autopilot. So this is the cool thing about SaaS, as I talk about multiple times, is that there's no customer fulfillment if you're looking to get started in this affiliate program. Coming from the coaching space, when a customer paid me, that's when I actually had to start working. Not with software affiliate marketing, when I talk about the benefits in my other videos. So make sure you subscribe below, check out my other videos. This is different. When a customer pays, your work is done. You get your commission and the software begins to service the client. So there's zero customer fulfillment once your customer is up and running on the software, because the way the tool works is it uses AI to go and run on the background and it helps people grow their following. So targeting. So a lot of questions people ask, are the followers real? Are they fake? Are they bots? How does it work? These are real targeted people. So I'm looking at the right here. With our growth tool, you can enter targeted usernames, hashtags, locations to interact with anyone who posts on Instagram stories that meets your criteria. So the followers that are coming in for these customers, they're real people, number one, and they're targeted. So let's just say somebody is an influencer in the fitness space, right? You could target fitness followers and start to attract those people. Maybe you don't want followers from, say, South America or another country. You want American fitness influencers out of Miami. You can do that with this tool. So these are real valuable, especially for people running ads or coaching or people selling products and services. This is the perfect people for this type of software here in this program. So we have the growth tool, we have the targeting. The next thing is reporting. And so reporting says, discover which targeting sources are driving the most engagement and track your daily stats, follower growth, top posts, and other essential metrics with our tool. Now, we'll come back to this part in a second because I'm actually going to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how this software works so you can see how the reporting works and actually the results that I'm getting on a brand new Instagram account that has less than 200 followers. And finally, Help Center. We get everything covered with the live chat, video tutorials, templates, tips, resources, and so on and so forth. So growing on Instagram is doesn't need to be difficult. Now, to be completely honest, when I'm running my coaching business, I spend anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a month on ads, and I barely gain less than 1,000 followers. And with this software, only costing a couple $100 a month, I get very similar to results of what it cost me 10 times the price to get followers, because running ads on Instagram is way more expensive than using this software. So I can definitely see that this tool is very valuable to somebody that's selling products and services. So it helps people increase their followers, their engagements, and their sales on Instagram. So the gist behind it is not only people are going to gain followers, they're also going to gain engagement. So they're going to get, since they're real people, they're going to get real likes, real comments coming in. And because these are real people, and if your Instagram account is structured in a good way, you can actually start making sales in the DM. Like I talked about in my last video, I made 10 grand last week, all literally from using this tool in DMs from people coming to me, landing on my page, understanding the software, and I offer them the free trial. And I say, hey, after your trial, hey, go ahead and upgrade. It brought me in 10 grand. So it's literally that simple. So I've used the tool to actually get sales for my affiliate marketing business right here. And so 5-day trial. And that's it. So let's talk about some of the pricing right here. All right. So this is 3 packages that they offer. The first one is a starter pack. So a starter pack starts at $149 a month. And so basically what it comes with, actually, I'll just read off the final one. So they have a starter pack at $150. They have an advanced pack at $199 and a managed package at $299. Now, for me personally, I only sell the managed package, which is $299, because it has a higher commission. And obviously, so I get higher commissions, but then also it's more valuable for the customer. So what is the difference between these three packages? The first one is there's no AI features. Basically, it's just targeting, and whatever the user, the customer goes ahead and puts manually, that's the followers that they're going to get. The managed package, the biggest difference is there's AI features. We're able to use AI to go in there and help the followers boost up by using the person's default page, real page, and explore feed. So because of that, and I'll show you here in a second, my default, aka my AI features, usually give me way more followers than just my targeting. And finally, the managed pack is the biggest difference with this is you get an account manager, you get better support. And if you're signing up to an affiliate, you usually get a type of group chat. It just depends on what affiliate. And so if you want to join this program, maybe you offer extra services to go ahead and get that customer up and running. But the cool thing is, at the end of the day, this is affiliate marketing. All you have to do is pass a customer off to the affiliate program and collect your commission. If you want to increase the value by maybe having a little mini course or having a YouTube channel, whatever it is to increase your sales, that's something that I teach in the distributor program, which we'll talk about later on into the video, to help increase conversion. So for example, for every person that clicks the link on my link, I get a 30% conversion, meaning for every link click, 30% of people buy. And the reason that conversion is so high is because of the amount of content that I make, the amount of resources, the coaching, and everything that I offer. And I'll teach you that stuff inside of this distributor program. Or you can just watch my YouTube channel right here. So make sure you subscribe below, and I'll teach you guys how to do that over the next coming months. And so let's look at some of the FAQ they have here. Are the followers real? Yes, these are real people, not bots, no BS. These followers are generally interested in your account, resulting in an increase in new followers, engagement, and sales. And how many followers should you expect? Anywhere from $300 to $1,500 a month. They're not guaranteed because these are real people at the end of the day. And how soon should you start seeing results? And that's within 1 hour. So some of the testimonials that I've gotten is that people, we sign them up in the next hour. They're getting 20, 30, 40 followers. And they're like, oh my gosh, I've never seen something like this. So getting those testimonials is really, really cool. And I guess the final one is, do you need to enter your password? Do you need to give it to somebody else? The answer is no. So you don't need to give a password to the person, but you do need to log into your Instagram in the software. So there's no middleman. You do need to connect your Instagram account so that you can use this software. So that's what they have here on this website. So let's go ahead and let's look at the back end, and then so we'll look at the back end, and then don't leave yet in the video, because then we're going to talk about commission structure. So if you're in affiliate marketing, I know we're almost a couple minutes into this video here. Don't leave, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you those commission structures so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so let's talk about commission structures in this particular affiliate program. So a part-time affiliate earns about 25% MRR. So remember, this is software. You get monthly recurring revenue. This is not a one-time sale like promoting something on ClickBank. You get paid every single month, almost like a Netflix account where a person pays for Netflix. You get paid the same way. Every time a customer pays for this software, you get paid. So you get 25% of the MRR, monthly recurring revenue. And so an example of that looks like if a customer buys a package for $299 a month, that means that your commission for that one customer is $75 a month, pure profit into your bank account. All right. So the way we describe a part-timer is somebody who just wants to promote this. You know, they want to figure it out on their own. Maybe they have an email list. They want to build their, promote it on their Instagram. Maybe they're watching my YouTube channel. This is just somebody who wants to go out and build their own business, getting a 25% commission. So that's a standard within the software space to get anywhere from 20 to 30% of the MRR. But we have introduced something called a distributor program, which I'm so excited to go ahead and show you this. And so how the distributor program works is a distributor is a person, what we call a full-timer. They get a 50%. That is right. 50% of the MRR. Let me tell you, our business right now with this particular program is doing anywhere from 30 to 50,000 a month right now, just naturally through referrals. And the stick rate, the conversion rate is absolutely crazy. So when we're giving away 50%, we're not a brand new company. We've been doing this for 5 years, and over 5,000 customers have been using our software. So to be giving 50%, the reason we're doing this is to empower you as an affiliate to go out there and be motivated to build a business under the software affiliate marketing space. So an example of what your commissions would look like. So if a customer buys a package for $299 a month, your commission would be $150 a month, pure profit into your bank account. No sales skills, no tech skills. All you have to do is literally get somebody on a free trial, and I guarantee the customer, and you should try the software yourself so you know how it works. Everybody wants to upgrade because the amount of followers, engagement that they're getting, and they shut it off after 5 days. It's like almost like a drug. You shut off all access to the benefits that they were getting because it's only 5-day trial. But now once they upgrade, you get half of the money, $150 a month profit per person. And that was how I was able to add an extra $4,000 a month to my monthly recurring revenue just in the last week or so. And I'm showing you behind the scenes. I'm not anything special here. It's because of the commission structure. And so some of the other benefits that happen here inside of the distributor program is a 25% spread on your affiliates. Yes, if you, let's just say you are a distributor, right? And you're offering this program, and some of your customers, they want to offer this program. You get 25% of everything they sell. Yes, you're going to make an extra $75 per month per person that your affiliates sell. It's a crazy offer and a crazy opportunity that we built here. That way, the people that want to scale this full time, people that want to make 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month or more, they have an opportunity, whether they want to sell it themselves, creating content at 50% commission, or whether they want to get their customers or build a content or recruit their own team, however they want to do it. They get 25% of everything that their affiliates sell underneath them. So let's just say right here in this example, you get $75 a month per sale that each and every one of your affiliates sell, and you have nothing to do with it. Completely automated. Some other benefits inside the distributor program are plug and play funnels, marketing, and automation. So every funnel that I build, every email automation, every single thing that I've built, I literally copy and paste it over to my affiliates and distributors. That way they can have successful and have the same 10K plus per month business reselling this particular software. Dedicated support, a mastermind group, all my other distributors that are reselling the software, we come together on weekly Zoom calls so if they can ask questions and learn marketing and everything they need to do to scale their business to the 6 and 7 figure level and so much more. Now, I am going to be completely transparent with you. This is a paid opportunity to upgrade. Now, if you want to be a part-timer and just get the 25% commission, you don't need to pay. You could just click the link in the description below and get your link for 25%. But if you want to be in the distributor program and get those extra benefits like I just mentioned above, that is a paid feature that obviously because of all the extra benefits that we have here. So you have two choices: to do it for free, get 25%, or get the upgrade and get the extra benefits that we have here for a small little fee. So what's the next steps for you? We have some links in the description, and you have one of a couple options here. First option is get your 25% affiliate link. Cost you nothing. Just click the link in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out and get your affiliate link, sign up, and begin promoting the software. Second thing, if you're going to be promoting the software, you're going to be thinking, well, DeAndre, how do I get leads? How does the software work? Well, you're probably going to want to start on the software or at least get on a 5-day trial. All my customers, I would say 50% of my customers that I get every single month, every single day, come from me using the Instagram growth software. So go ahead and start on a trial, get connected. It's not required, but I mean, that's how I get leads. That's how you will get leads, is by using the software itself. And the third and final one, for those of you that want to get to 10K a month, scale to the next level, you want a proven system, a step-by-step system, mentorship, a community of other like-minded affiliate marketers who want to grow to the 6 and 7 figure level. You want to get a bump in commission. You want to get a spread or make 25% a sale off of every other person that comes through your system. You want to just get to the next level. That is what we call the distributor program. If that sounds like something that you'd like to do, go ahead and look at the description below. Go ahead and click the link and go to my Instagram and send me the word SaaS, SAAS. We'll have a conversation, hop on a call and see if this program is a good fit for you. Like I said, it is a paid program. So just so you know, I'm just being 100% direct with you. But with that, I will be personally working with you, helping you scale to the next level. Because at the end of the day, I have an equity position in this company. I only get paid when you get paid, meaning there's a financial interest for me to help you. Because if let's just say you're scaling to $10,000 a month, you're happy because you're making 10K a month. I get paid because it's my software, or I have an equity position where I get paid on the back end. So I have a financial interest to make sure that you are successful. I don't just make money off you clicking a link like other YouTubers. I have to help you succeed in this distributor program. So that's why I have free videos here on the 25% commission. Everybody can just create content and or watch my content and get out there and grow. Or for those of you that want to take this seriously, work directly with me and grow to the next level, that's the distributor program. Hit those links in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. DeAndre Saxon out.